Hi guys, I am so sorry that cut off. I ran out of space. But here's the finished little projects. And this is the one, my first one that I did. And I did the label in copper. It says a little hard to tell. It says spells on it. And I just like inked up the pages, put some like little drops of blood and stuff in there. But I just think they're really, really cute. This is what I did on camera for you. I just think they turned out really cute. And they'll be so cute, you know, next to something. I don't know. I have some little Halloween candle holders and things. Just create a little vignette with them. So I hope you will go check out Angie's, Garrett's, and Tony's excuse me, videos as well. Their link will be down in the description box. And so I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And you know, you could do these for any type of thing. It doesn't have to be for Halloween. But I just thought it was a cute little thing to do. Like I said, I had to use what I had on hand because I'm not going out to buy any more Halloween stuff. So, anyway. Alright, guys. That is a quick little part 2. Didn't make you watch very long. And, like I said, go check out the other ones. And, let me know what you think about my little mini books. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. God bless. Bye.